March is one of the most underrated months for Shopify dropshipping, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. While most people are still chasing random trending products with no sales behind them, smart sellers are actually stacking profits with data-backed products that are already converting. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top Shopify dropshipping products for March, okay? Products that actually active and they're selling right now. They have proven demand backed by data, not just like guesswork and all that stuff. It can be sourced with strong profit margins and also are perfect for organic marketing and paid ads. These, my friends, aren't guesses, not hype products, no guru, blah, 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 blah. Every product you're about to see is validated using Shopify sales data inside ZIK Analytics in the same way that top performing dropshippers do their own research. Let's just jump straight to it. So the first product that we have here is pretty cool. I love it. All right, is this vintage camera, and as you can see here, there is already hype around it, right? This video is quite cool. It shows the real size, the feeling, and I mean, I love it. All right, but the thing is, this is not just like a regular camera. Like, it comes with a twist. Okay, at first glance, it looks like it's just a classic vintage camera that you expect to find like in your grandma's house or something, but on the inside, it's actually a modern HD camera. So you can shoot high quality photos and videos, and then at the same time you can choose a vintage style mode, that like a filter that can give your content like this old school feeling. You know what I'm saying? And it's really cool because when it comes to vintage style products, demand is huge. It's always huge. Engagement in social media for this type of like product and this aesthetic is absolutely just like through the roof, you know, especially on TikTok and Instagram. Now, I found this exact product being sold in a following dropshipping store, pocketbuddycam.com. I love the name. So this store is selling it for $88, and this is a niche dropshipping store focused only on cameras and cameras accessories. Now, with this camera being the main product, I can see that it is a good product because that alone is a strong signal that this product was properly researched before the store was built, right? So, but instead of guessing, let's just verify everything with data. All right, and to do that, I'm just gonna copy the store URL, then I'm gonna paste it into ZIK store sales tracker, and then that's it. Look at that. Here's where things, get interesting. ZIK shows us data that Shopify does not publicly share, including sales number. And from what I can see, this product sold 177 times in the last 30 days, which clearly confirms that this is a high demand and trending product. Now, the next important question is, can we source this product at a price that leaves room for a solid profit margin? This is a key question. You know what? Let's find out, you and me. All I have to do is to click here in the item finder like this, and it's loading many options, and I can go with this one right here, for example. All right, and this is the exact same product, my friends. Look, it's priced at $51.57 with free shipping, and what's even better is the supplier reputation. A 4.7 star rating, 221 reviews, more than 1,000 units sold. So that gives me strong confidence that, this is a good quality product and the supplier is reliable. Now, let's just break down the numbers and see how much profit this store is actually making. So let's do it together. So the selling price is $88, and then you have the Shopify fee, which is 2.9% plus 30 cents, which is in total $2.85, and the sourcing cost from AliExpress is $51.57. Okay, that, my friends, leaves us with a profit of $33.58 per sale. And then with 177 sales in the past 30 days, this store made around $5,943 in profit. Yes, this is before ads and operational expenses, but all from a single product. Now, I think this is an amazing example of a product that's perfect for organic marketing, especially on platforms like TikTok, where nostalgia-driven content performs incredibly well. all right? Don't go anywhere because the next product is a must-have, all right? Especially when the weather is still cold and unpredictable. You know, look at this. Let me put the video. Like having a portable device in your car that can rescue you, like in an emergency, whether you need to like jump start your car or inflate a tire, I think it's extremely valuable. Now, you can see this product here as the video is playing. And what do you think about it? You know, what are your first impressions? Well, I think it's pretty cool, and I think the demand is high. I found this Shopify Dropshipping store right here, hivg.in. Now, I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but anyway, this store is selling this device for 6,999 Indian rupees, which is around 77 US dollars. Now, instead of guessing whether this product is actually performing, you know, I just did the same thing. I scanned the store using ZIK Store Sales Tracker, and the data shows that this product actually was sold 124 times in the last 30 days. That is very good. All right, let's do sourcing. Again, I'm just gonna click the item finder tool and it's loading a bit. You can see all these results. I'm just gonna choose one of them like this one right here and look at this, all right, as an example. So this product right here is the exact same product and it costs $63.18 with free shipping. Now, follow the calculations that I showed you before. It means that the profit per sale is around like $11.50, okay? And with 124 sales in the past 30 days, this product generated around $1,426 in monthly profit. If you were running a dropshipping store in the automotive niche, this is a very strong product to consider adding, all right? Because it's practical, it's seasonal, and it's backed by sales data. So what do you think about these first two top products? Leave a comment below. Like, I would love to hear your opinion about these and all the other products that I'm going to show you, okay? And if you're enjoying this video so far, just make sure to like it, please. Share it. Subscribe to our channel. We're almost on the 100K mark, right? Help us get there. It means a lot, all right? Another thing, if you're curious about all these tools that I'm using here, look, you can try ZIK Analytics today, all right? Give it a try. Let me know what you think, okay? All right, so next up, we have UV phone sterilizer box, all right? And I think since like COVID, you know, a lot of people are more aware of that, and I think I'm just guessing, but it feels like there's a spike on this since then, because this product claims to sterilize anything that you place inside this box using UV light. So as you can see in the video, it's being used for like phones, keys, earbuds, and so on. That wide range of use gives this product a strong appeal and makes it suitable for a broad audience. Now, I found this product right here being sold in this Shopify Dropshipping store, zotasco.com. Now, it's selling for $49.10. And after scanning the store using ZIK Store Sales Tracker, I just love it. You can see everything. Look at this. I saw that this product right here sold 60 times in the last 30 days, okay? Which clearly shows consistent demand. And then, my friends, I clicked there in the item finder. I found, look at that, exact matches all over the place, all right? I'm gonna open one of them just for the example. And here it is. This is like the exact same product and it's priced at $32.02 without any discount. That leaves a profit of around $15.50 per sale. Times 60 sales, we're talking about $930 in monthly profit, okay? All from a single product sourced directly from AliExpress, okay? All right, don't go anywhere. Why? Because we're gonna go to the gym. All right, it's the gym mat flooring, okay? Look at the video right here. I have a couple of these at home, you know, and this is a perfect product for people who want to take their home workouts to the next level, all right? At the same time, it's also ideal for gyms, fitness studios, and personal trainers who often need to purchase these mats in bulk. So that gives this product both a B2C and a B2B potential, which is a big advantage, all right? And I found this product being sold in this Shopify dropshipping store, which is brewfitnessco.com. I hope that I'm pronouncing these stores right. Anyway, this store is selling an 8-pack of gym mat flooring for $39, all right, which is a very competitive price for this type of product, trust me. And after scanning this product using ZIK Store Sales Tracker, I saw that this product was sold 90 times in the past 30 days, showing strong and consistent demand, all right? Let's talk about sourcing again, okay? This is like one of the most interesting parts. I just did the same thing, it's loading, and boom, look at that. Now, I want to show you this one. Okay, so look at that. This is an 8-pack right here, and it can be sourced for only $11.68, which is an excellent sourcing price. Now, on top of that, the product has solid buyer reviews, which makes it even more reliable to work with. You know what I'm saying? Now, this sourcing price leaves us a profit of around $25.80 per sale times 90. We're talking about $2,322 in monthly profit. But let me give you a pro tip if you're gonna, sell a product like this one. Because buyers often purchase this product in larger quantities to cover like more floor space, right? Which is quite obvious. It's very smart to offer bulk discounts. Quantity-based offers can significantly increase your average order value and overall store revenue. All right, so keep that in mind. Okay, so the next product is this one. It's a belt bag. It's a simple yet extremely powerful winner. This right here is it's a highly practical product with year-round demand, and it becomes especially popular during camping, traveling, and like outdoor seasons, which usually start around like end of March, all right? And a belt bag allows people to carry their valuables safely without needing like a large backpack or shoulder backpack, I don't know. I think it's quite convenient, lightweight, and makes easy to market, right? And here's a great example of how strong branding and marketing can turn an ordinary product into a premium one. Look, Sulky.com, all right? Now, as you can see, the store is built as a one-product dropshipping store selling only this belt bag, and the product is priced at £29.99, which is around like $39, all right? Now, let's not guess if the stores actually make some money or not, all right? Let's do the same thing, scan here with the ZIK Analytics Store Sales Tracker, and look at that. The data shows that this belt bag was sold 322 times in the past 30 days. And remember, this is like the only product in this store. So that's like a very strong signal of the product market fit, all right? So let's try to source this because I'm quite curious, all right? We open here. The sourcing price is only $10.53. So that leaves a profit margin of around $27 per sale. Take that, multiply by 322, we're talking about $8,694 in profit before advertising and operational expenses. Now, if you are planning to run paid ads, this is like exactly the type of product that you want to focus on. And why? Well, because the high profit margin gives you plenty of room to test ads, scale campaigns, and still remain profitable. So this is a perfect example of how simple products plus strong branding plus data-backed demand can lead to massive results in Shopify dropshipping. Okay. All right. So I'm going to open the next product right here. Watch this video. I think this is pretty cool. Like this product, how can I say this? It's like a true quality of life upgrade for like cat owners, This automatic cat litter box, it just eliminates all the manual cleaning. It just reduces like the smell, keeps the litter area consistently clean. And, I think that's a win already. It's a win-win situation, I guess, for both cats and their owners, and exactly the kind of problem, problem-solving product that we love in dropshipping. So I found this product being sold in this Shopify dropshipping store, petpivot.com, all right? And the store is selling this automated litter box for a premium price of $179, okay? Now, let's not guess. Let's see, scan the store right here and see like real data, all right? Now, so the data shows that this product was sold 208 times in the past 30 days. It shows consistent demand, all right? Let's source this again. The same exact product in AliExpress with being sold for $109 with free shipping. So it leaves us with a profit of around $64 per sale. You understand that? Oh my goodness. Okay. And then you multiply that by 208 sales. We're talking about $13,312 in monthly profit, right? Before advertising and like operational expenses. But I just want to say, my friends, do you understand that? Like, this is an outstanding example of high ticket dropshipping product in a very strong evergreen niche. All right, like the pet niche, it's emotional, you know what I'm saying? It's like it's problem driven, and buyers are willing to pay like premium prices for convenience and comfort, which makes product like this one just perfect for scaling with paid ads. All right, it's a powerful product. Like, don't miss this one. Right, let me know what do you think about this product, because like this product really has excellent profit margins. This is like exactly what a winning dropshipping product looks like. All right, try this product. Let me know. Comment in any of my videos and I'll get back to you. All right, could be now, could be in a month from now, 6 months from now. All right, I would appreciate that. All right, my friends, look, thank you so much for watching till now, and that's it. You know, this is the top Shopify dropshipping products for March, all backed by sales data. And remember, you know, success in dropshipping isn't about guessing or chasing hype or listening to all those like fake gurus online. You know, it's about choosing the right products at the right time using data. All right, let me know in the comments below which products stood out to you the most. Okay, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thanks so much. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.